Through this code, you will be able to determine support and resistance levels numerically for any stock in general in the US market. And this code is leaked from one of the private courses that I teach in US stocks. The entire purpose of this code is to let you know the importance of numbers in predicting support and resistance in the stock you are working on. Meaning, if you want to know the most important support and resistance levels in any stock in general in the US market, this code will tell you, God willing. Look with me here. The whole process is that you take the last clear peak or the last clear trough in your stock and sum the digits of this peak. We will now see a practical example of Apple stock. Apple stock's peak was at the 344 level. If you add 3 plus 4 plus 4, what do they come out to? 11. So this stock, as it goes down, will respect every $11 drop. It will start respecting it. If we say, 344 to 11 equals 333. Subtract another 11 equals 322. Subtract another 11 equals 311. Subtract another 11 equals 300. Notice the presence of very strong support at the 300 level. The stock formed its bottom at 300. So the numbers we mentioned as we went down were respected by the stock. If you entered a buy position from the 300 levels, you would make a very good profit in this stock. Also, notice the importance of the 311 level. When it went to it once here, it dropped from it as resistance. It went to it a second time as resistance. It went to it a third time as resistance. And when it broke through it, it began to retest it and started to rise. Therefore, we expect in the near future that Apple stock will reach the 322 levels. Well, if it drops below 311, it might return to 300 once again to retest it. So the whole is easy and simple. You look at the last peak in the stock or the last trough in the stock. If you want to work on the peak, work on it. If you want to work on the trough, work on it. We take 3 plus 4 plus 4, giving us 11. So as the stock is going down, it will start respecting the 11-step levels. You start subtracting 11 from 344 and draw a line, subtract 11 and draw a line, subtract 11 and draw a line, and so on. Therefore, these numbers are the most important in Apple's near future. The current support is 311, and the current resistance is 322. This was the analysis of Apple stock using one of the secret codes leaked from one of the private courses that I teach regarding US stocks.